Recent ACES research shows 97% website get zero organic search traffic from Google. So what does the top 3% exactly do differently? Well, that is what you are going to learn right now. Welcome to the SEO Tactician. My name's Kausar Hridoy. In today's episode, we are diving into one of the most important aspects of running a successful Shopify store, SEO. So, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it's the practice of optimizing your online store so that it shows up higher in search engine results like Google. Imagine you have an awesome Shopify store with amazing products, but if no one can find your store online, you won't make any sales, right? This is where SEO comes in. Why SEO is important for Shopify stores? Now, you might be wondering why SEO is important for Shopify stores. Well, there are a few key reasons. First, most people use search engines like Google to find products. If your Shopify store is not optimized for search engines, you are missing out on potential customers. Second reason is SEO helps you build trust and authority. When your store ranks high on Google, people tend to you trust it more. They think, hey, if Google is recommending this store, it must be good. And third, SEO leads to long-term growth. Unlike paid ads, which stop working as soon as you stop paying, SEO helps you to get free traffic over time, making it a more sustainable marketing strategy. To put this step simply, SEO is one of the most ways to drive organic traffic to your store, which ultimately leads more sales and higher profits. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.